right in the middle of the RAM crisis in history, where prices are higher than my caffeine intake, the PC industry just stopped the biggest memory upgrade in a decade. Meet Cam 2. For years, laptop buyers had to choose their poison. You either got soldered RAM, which is blazing fast but traps you with exact same capacity forever, or you use SO-DIMM sticks, which are upgradable but painfully slow. Well, after teasing us for over 2 years, manufacturers are finally putting CAM2 modules in laptops and desktops, and it is the holy grail. Why, you may ask? Because CAM2 lies completely flat with the motherboard. This shortens the physical distance between the RAM and the CPU, meaning it is fully upgradable but can hit speeds like 7000 megatransfer per second out of the box. That's faster than your buddy's desktop RAM can achieve without heavy overclocking and a prayer. So we finally get futuristic, blazing fast, perfect memory right when AI data centers are holding all the silicon and making RAM too expensive to actually buy. Perfect timing, right? Drop a like if you are currently surviving on 8 gigs and subscribe to Gamer Tech Tips for more PC tech. Thank you.